Okay, first graders, today for math, I need you to find the page that says day 2, and it also says at the top comparing penguins. So this is going to be your job for today. You're going to go through these problems and, answer all these questions and do your best. You can use numbers, pictures, and words to solve them. So let's do this first one together. I said solve these problems. So I'm going to look at this picture before I even answer any of the questions. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, but it even says it down here. 7 penguins are standing on the ice. I'm just going to write 7 down here, up here, so I don't forget. Then 5 penguins are swimming in the water. 5 in the water. So their first question says, how many more penguins are on the ice than in the water? Now, if you need an extra piece of paper to do your work, you could take an old piece of paper, like I had this paper just lying around my room that I'm going to recycle. You can draw pictures on the back of this page, whatever works for you. So let's do this first one together. How many more penguins on the ice than in the water? So we know how many are on the ice? Right, 7. It says it right there. Don't need a lot of think time for that. That's okay. How many are in the water? How many are swimming in the water? Right, 5. That's why we wrote it right there. 5. So if they're asking how many more, do you think we're adding or are we subtracting? Are we asking how many penguins altogether? No, they're asking how many more. So I think we're going to what? What do you think we're going to do? Right, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to take 7 minus 5. So what I might do is I'm going to, what would you do? Let's count backwards from 7. So I'm going to do 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh, that's a good way to do that. Let's try that. Let's see if that works. Or I can take my 7 penguins up top and take away 5. I'm going to cover up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many penguins left? 2. Right, we can do lots of things. Or if you knew 7 minus 5 equals 2, that's perfect. Those are all different ways you can solve this. So how many more penguins need to be in the water to match the number on ice? I'm thinking this is going to help us with this. Because watch this. If I add, let's use what we know from this problem. How many more penguins are on the ice than in the water? Let's do 2. Let's add 2 penguins. I'm just going to add them over here so I can see them better. We have 1 penguin and 2 penguins. Let's see if we have, we're going to pretend like this is the water still. Draw some water lines. Woo. Let's count. Let's see if we have equal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we get the right? So how many more penguins need to be in the water to match on the ice? 2. Right. So let's write 2. How many penguins in all? Now we're going to do what, first graders? Correct. We're going to add that in all. Those are the magic words that say, hey, we're going to add these all together. Usually when we say all, that means we're adding. All and add start with A. So we're going to do this plus this. How would we write it? I want you to try to write it before I do. I'll give you a couple seconds. I want you to write out your equation, just like we did up here. But now we're doing addition. How would we write that? All right, so we have 7 on the ice. How many in the water? And we said we were going to what? Correct. We're going to add those together. Now, I could count all of those. We're not going to count these because these are for the pretend ones. We could count all those. But I think I could use a fact that I know. Let's watch this. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. And from what this told me up here, 7 is 2 more than 5. So I have to take 10 and add 2 more. So 10 plus 2, I know that, that's 12. But just in case Miss Eastman's crazy, let's check it. So we have 7 on top. Put 7 in your head. Did you put 7 in your head? All right, do it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We did it. Hooray! So we have 12 penguins in all. Now, I want you to go back and circle all of your answers because we have a lot of extra numbers on there too. Okay, you've got 3 more to do. Send me a picture of your paper when you are done. I will give you your dojo points if you send me a picture. You're going to rock this. Use words, numbers, and pictures. If you need to, get another piece of paper. If you need to, count the penguins. If you need to, draw pictures on the edges like I did. Use what you have, okay, guys? All right, I will talk to you later. See you in a little bit for some phonics and some grammar, okay? See ya.